Hello viewers, today is not just an ordinary night but for Aries. It marks the beginning of a silent yet extremely powerful transformation. Those echoes will be felt in your life for many days ahead. The period from April 11 to 15, 2026 may seem normal on the surface, but within it lie hidden currents that are slowly beginning to reshape your path as if a long stuck door is being gently pushed open by an unseen force, and you still do not fully know what waits on the other side. Yet the universe has already started preparing you. The pressure, the mental stress, and the inner restlessness you have felt recently were not punishment, but part of a process that has been strengthening you from within. Because every person who is about to step into a major shift must first go through a silent test that reveals their true inner strength. And now the face is changing, the energy around you is shifting. People in your life who were unclear in their intentions or whose presence brought confusion are slowly beginning to reveal their true nature, and you may find yourself surprised at how much you overlooked. At the same time, a new light is approaching you, a possibility that once felt distant may now come closer. Something delayed, something paused, or something you almost let go of may being moving again. But this time will not return in the same form. It carries a new direction, a new opening that could lead you to a better something if you only recognize it, because not every opportunity arrives with noise. Some comes with silence, and only those who are truly awake from within can withstand them. Now, a strange balance is forming between your heart and your mind as all emotions resurface and new feelings bring to your surprise. Someone from your past, a person you lost contact with or drift away from, may reappear in some form, a message, a sign, or an unexpected situation. But this time, they must not rush your decision. Think deeply, because this is not a time for emotion alone, but for wisdom and clarity. This is the moment where your real test begins, whether you repeat the part or learn from it and create a new direction. At the same time, trouble shift may also appear in your financial or practical life. An opportunity that was delayed or a door that once seemed closed may slowly begin to open, but with it comes a hidden responsibility, because every improvement carries a price of maturity. You are being reminded that what is coming toward you is the result of your patience and your choices. And now the universe is observing how you will use it. There is a strength within you that you may not have fully used it. You often doubt yourself or held back, but now circumstances are pushing you toward a place where self belief is no longer optional. If you fail or trust yourself now, certain opportunities may pass you by and may not return in the same form again. Another deeper sign is beginning to surface, one that not everyone will notice, only those who can hear their inner silence will feel it. In the coming days, a moment may arrive that shakes you internally. A conversation, a meeting, or an unexpected event that make you realize nothing is truly random, and that everything is unfolding around to a hidden order. Your perceptions will begin to change. You will start seeing life differently, realizing that what you have lived so far is only a small part of much larger picture. And now you are approaching a turning point where an improvement truth may come forward, not all at once, but like a picture slowly being incomplete, becoming complete. During this time, the most important thing for you is patient. Do not rush to accept or reject anything immediately. Let time reveal what is real, because time exposes what people try to hide. And if you are feeling this message deeply, understand that this is not just a video, it is a sign that you are nearing a major transformation. Finally, in the coming days, the opportunity or a person that appears may look ordinary on the surface, but within it could be a significant part of yours. Observe carefully, listen deeply, and do not ignore your inner sense because it will guide you toward the right path. And if you have truly felt that this message, write your zodiac sign in the comment, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Astro Podcast because more secret and predictions are coming that will change the way you think. And remember, the real story is not over yet. The real turn is still ahead. Goodbye.